Does anybody else apart from me think that's alright? Give it up for Jason Platts. Come on! He's using the Inner Sky LED light system there, which is a combination of timing and music time. Watch the lights change to the music. I want to see him fly through the flames. Inverted over the flames. What do you reckon, people? Should we do it? You should never call something like that. I think there might be a few scorch marks on those blades.